On this next activity, you're going to drag and drop each answer that has the correctest value for each equation. So as you can see here, let's start off with this first one, and then you're going to be doing the rest totally on your own so that you guys can keep on practicing on these. So on this one, we have whatever's on the left side of the equal, we're going to put it on number 1. So we have negative 4x minus 4 minus 4x. And then in number 2, you're going to type in 12. Remember, if it's just a number, it's not going to graph it to you automatically. So you're going to type in y equals so that it can graph it for you. So from here, you're just going to check where they cross. And it's going to be a negative 2. Look for the negative 2 over here. It's not right here on this side. How about on this side over here? Negative 2, I found it. So I'm just going to click and drag this one right here. You're going to do the same thing for the rest. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 more. That way you guys can seal off and keep on practicing on this topic.